Earning. As far as after Ajit Pawar's demise, the Baramati seat has now come under spotlight, with the NCP sources suggesting that Sunetra Pawar may contest the upcoming bypoll, with Ajit Pawar's aide Naresh Arora meeting with Sunetra Pawar that is also being planned soon. So that seems to be as far as setting the ball rolling within the party there, because taking those positions which have now been lying vacant post the death of Ajit Pawar and filling them in so that the government can run, the administration can run, that seems to be a priority that is now being talked about as far as the backroom talks and negotiations that seems to have already begun, with the meetings that have been also taking place. The Baramati seat that has now come under spotlight. Remember, as far as this unfortunate accident that was reported, that also happened in Baramati, where was represented by Ajit Pawar, but now saying that his wife Sunetra Pawar may make, when it comes to the bypoll, that may be contested, with Ajit Pawar's aide Naresh Arora also having a meeting with Sunetra Pawar that is also being planned soon. So NCP wants Sunetra Pawar to lead, and what about as far as when it comes to the multiple portfolios that Ajit Pawar used to hold as far as in the Maharashtra government is concerned, and the very position of the Deputy Chief Minister? Well, that is also being said, that is being mulled and talked about. But what is also as far as being said that the NCP plans to stake claim to all of the portfolios within the party that Ajit Pawar used to lead. Let's connect with Arunil on this development. Arunil, Sunetra Pawar, would she have any standing as far as within the party and to take over as the successor of Ajit Pawar as far as the bypoll is now concerned? What happens to the other portfolios that Ajit Pawar used to handle?
There is a crucial meeting between Naresh Arora, one of the consultants or main consultants of Ajit Pawar. He has reached Baramati. Speaking with Ajit Pawar camp clearly in a huddle, not with Ajit Pawar, beg your pardon, with Sunetra Pawar, who's the wife of Ajit Pawar. So the camp of late Ajit Pawar is in a huddle now. In Mumbai as well, Praful Patel, Chhagan Bhujbal as well as Sunil Tatkare, the three top leaders of the Ajit Pawar camp, went to Varcha, which is the residence of CM Devendra Fadnavis. Now what we understand from top sources, at least from the Ajit Pawar camp, is that Sunetra Pawar, who's the wife of late Ajit Pawar, is expected to be the deputy CM. The two key portfolios that Ajit Pawar held, one is finance, other is excise. The other three portfolios can be managed by somebody, but these two portfolios are very important, very significant, and it needs a specialized person to handle it. So a discussion and decision on these portfolios will be taken later, is expected to be taken later. Parth Pawar, who's the elder son of Ajit Pawar, will be expected to replace Sunetra Pawar in Rajya Sabha. Okay. Sunetra Pawar will be is likely to contest the by-election in place of Ajit Pawar from Baramati. So she is expected to succeed Ajit Pawar as the deputy.
Can you tell us a little about the meeting that you are talking